tragic incident unfolded in New York City on May 17, 2025, when the Mexican Navy's training ship Cuauhtémoc collided with the Brooklyn Bridge. While departing for Iceland, the ship's 147-foot masts struck the bridge around 8:20 p.m., snapping and crashing onto the deck. The vessel had 277 people on board. Sadly, 2 lives were lost and 19 were injured, 4 critically. Thankfully, no one fell overboard. Initial reports suggest mechanical failure caused the ship to drift uncontrollably. Despite the impact, the Brooklyn Bridge wasn't severely damaged and reopened after inspection. The Cuauhtémoc, built in 1981, had been docked in NYC since May 13 as part of a goodwill tour. The Mexican Navy has paused its mission and is now cooperating with U.S. authorities in the investigation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real-time global updates.